Hi, my name's Advait Singh and I'm from New Zealand, and I'm a 13-year-old who's been taking the Polymath-Kids Python course. I've learned so much from this Python course. I've learned things like loops and functions and how to make calculators, how to get fun games, and how to make my own working restaurant. I want to thank Polymath-Kids for giving me this opportunity to learn coding, and I really recommend it to the other kids out there.